Hello students and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the median for grouped frequency distribution and also to interpret it. Over here, we have the formula to calculate median, that is L1 plus M minus Cf times L2 minus L1 divided by F. And we have a question which is given to us. The data reads as the weekly allowances in rupees and the corresponding number of students, which will also act as the frequency of the question. So to understand this, in the class interval 20 to 25, the frequency is 10. That means there are 10 students whose weekly allowances is 20 to 25 rupees. On the same lines, we have in the class interval 25 to 30, the corresponding frequency to be 20, which indicates that there are 20 students whose weekly allowances are between 25 and 30 rupees, and so on and so forth. To begin with, we will start by adding a new column to the data of CF. CF stands for cumulative frequency, and this will be less than type. To find out the CF, look at the upper limit of the class interval and ask ourselves how many observations are below this particular limit. So for the first one, we are going to check out how many observations are below 25. So that is going to be 10. Proceeding, in the next we will ask ourselves how many observations are below 30. So below 30, it means that all students who are getting weekly allowance below 30. So that will be the 10 in the previous class along with the 20 in the current class. So that will be 10 plus 20, which will be 30. Similarly, the next one will be 30 plus 20, 50. Then 50 plus 15, 65. 65 plus 15, 80. And 80 plus 20, 100. Now the next step in this calculation is approach the formula, and before that we are going to find out the median class. To find the median class, let us have over here the final value of CF, that we are going to call it as capital N, which indicates the total number of observations or the total number of students in this case. For this, we are going to calculate the value of small m, which is given as n by 2, that will be 100 by 2, which is 50. And in the next step, we are going to look out in the CF column the value that corresponds to 50 or is just greater than 50. So over here we have the number 50 in the CF column. We are going to consider this class as the median class. And once we have identified the median class, we are going to extract the values for our formula. So we need L1. So the lower limit of this class is your L1. The upper limit of the class is L2. The corresponding frequency is F, and the CF just above the median class is CF. Once done with this, let us head to our formula and substitute the values. So median is L1, L1 is 30, plus we have a fraction over here. The first factor in the numerator is M minus CF. M we have already calculated as 50 minus CF, which is the value just above the median class in the CF column, that is 30 here, multiplied by L2 minus L1. So L2 is 35, L1 is 30. And we need to divide this by frequency F, which is 20. And after this, head on to your calculators. So 50 minus 30 is 20, 35 minus 30 is 5. We need to divide this by 20. We have some simple cancellations happening over here. So we'll be left out with 30 plus 5, that is 35. So the median value is 35. Now how do we interpret the median in terms of the data which is provided to us? So remember that the median is that particular value of the given observations which is going to divide our entire data into equal halves. It indicates that 50% of these students, that is 50 students, have the weekly allowances less than 35 rupees and 50 students have their weekly allowances greater than 35 rupees. If you have any more queries or comments, you can put up in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.